Naya Barango hydroelectric project, a run-of-the-river development, envisages generation of 28 megawatt electricity utilizing potential of Naya Barango River. The project is located in the west of central part of Rwanda near village Mubtara. The nearest airport is located in the capital city Kigali and the nearest approachable market is Gitarama. The Nyabarongo hydroelectric project involves construction of about 44.5-meter high concrete gravity dam located at the starting of the river loop of Nyabarongo with intake structure located at the right bank of the river. A 1.2-kilometer long HRT, surge tank and a surface powerhouse on a terrace on the right bank of the river to utilize the gross head of 63 meters for generation of 28 megawatt power. The total contract value of the project is 97.7 million US dollars. The project is to be executed by a joint venture of Angelique International and BHEL. For construction of the power dam, it was necessary to divert the river waters through a diversion tunnel. The diversion tunnel is 6.75-meter diameter, modified horseshoe. The length of diversion tunnel is 188 meters and the tunnel is shotcrete line. The gates for this tunnel are in the scope of BHEL supply and are yet to reach site. The diversion structure in this project is a gravity type concrete dam. The dam has been designed for a flood of 554 cubic meters per second. The total length of the dam is about 230 meters and it consists of a total of 16 blocks. There are 3 overflow blocks and 13 non-overflow blocks. The overflow blocks are controlled by sluice gates of 3.5 meter width and 5 meter height. The geological conditions of the right abutment of this dam were not very good and required excessive excavation to get competent rock in abutment. The axis of the dam was also modified to meet the rock line due to this geological difficulty. The water from the reservoir is taken to the head race tunnel through an intake structure which is complete except for the HM works which are to be done by BHEL. The second stage embedments for the gates of intake are in progress. The total length of head race tunnel in the project is about 1.2 km, out of which about 1.17 km length has been completed. The whole head race tunnel is concrete lined with 250 mm to 300 mm of concrete. The finished diameter of the tunnel is 4.1 meters and the shape is circular. The water conductor system has a safety valve in the form of a surge shaft which is having a riser of 3.5 meter diameter and height of 40 meters, on top of which an expansion shaft of diameter 12 meters and height of 40 meters serves the function of safety valve. Concrete lining of the riser is held up due to BHEL since liner for the junction with HRT has not been received at site. The water from the head race tunnel is taken to the powerhouse with the help of 128 meter long penstock. The header of the penstock is 3.5 meter diameter, which splits into two limbs of 2.45 meter each. The penstock erection has been completed up to the Y piece. The grouting is in progress. The bifurcation piece is yet to reach site. The Neyabarango hydroelectric project has a surface type powerhouse which houses two units of 14 megawatt each. The design head of the powerhouse is 59.5 meters and the size of powerhouse is 50 meter long, 21 meter wide and 30.5 meter high. The switchyard in the project has 3 bays, 2 incoming and 1 outgoing. The installation of all the 110 kV switch gears has been completed. Cutting of high tension, low tension and control cables is under progress. Between the switchyard and Kilinda substation, there is a 110 kV transmission line. The total length of the transmission line is 27.5 kilometers and is erected on 78 towers. Installation of towers and stringing of conductors has been completed. Installation of 30 kV towers is under progress. The construction of Kilinda substation at the end of transmission line is completed and the testing of equipment is under progress. 110 kV loop in and loop out with Kilinda substation is programmed to be completed by mid-April 2014.